In this morning's Machinery Minute, the latest report from the Association of Equipment Manufacturers says sales of smaller consumer-grade tractors in the U.S. took a hit last month. Comparing 2009 to 2008 figures, AEM says sales of smaller tractors under 40 horsepower were off by 22%. Sales of two-wheel drive larger tractors were up about 4% from a year ago, and four-wheel drive tractors were up just under 8% from a year ago. Meanwhile, equipment exports are feeling the pinch of a struggling global economy. We get details from Farm Journal Machinery editor Margie Fisher.
The Association of Equipment Manufacturers has released their 2008 Farm Equipment Export Report, which reported a 26% increase in farm equipment exports. That totaled $10.4 billion. The region that experienced the greatest percentage growth was the Australia-Oceania region. The first quarter for farm equipment exports was strongest, but then they substantially had dropped off by the third quarter in line with the economic global slowdown. Already this year, some manufacturers have reported larger than typical increases in order cancellations in Central Europe, which includes Russia and South America. For farmers here in the U.S., this could mean greater machinery availability as global demand may slow down. However, manufacturers are forecasting this year to be flat or down in overall sales and are ratcheting back production accordingly. For Ag Day, I'm Farm Journal's Margie Fisher.